perfecting. I be perfecting. Perfecting. We be perfecting. Perfecting. I be perfecting. Perfecting. We be perfecting.
Right, what's up with your clients?
You dey do some way be another bab himself.
One send on.
I dey give 1 week. If no send, I go Tamale. I be you know Tamale people. I go do one go back.
Right, you any bro? You want me behind the chat for the year now?
That's one boy you can't hear last time, you know. You know, say in client didn't send that money.
Sir?
Share. Over 500 million. If you can say we they play for you.
500?
You don't know. Hey, you still know where you go drop that money.
But I mean, now I say one way me I can't give you no what's up plus. That
one wow. You don't talk say make a wait. You they do something small. You are.
So we say one man chair. I swear say I no go give you clients again.
You don't know my vibe.
Oh, that be the fact where they talk you. If you no do this and collect money, no, yeah, me I no go give you.
How much will me I drop for last month?
It no be that one matter. You drop for last month, I drop this month, so I give you one, make you do her. That one money day inside.
No, I dey busy you. How much will you drop for last month?
Okay, no man, it's okay, bro.
The money we I take give you serve cra. It be small money.
This you forget some channel. Come on for the idea they come.
Alright, jeez.
What's up, man?
Good afternoon, guys.
Afternoon. This is baby hot. She fine pass. You see, then talk say Lagata fine, but I swear this will be fine pass.
Hey, you.
It be true. See. If you do I can't enter.
Hey.
You don't know. So what can I say? What can I say? What
can say? If you can say that,
forget yourself.
Actually, I don't want to go buy something for down there on the camera. See, nothing there for the fridge inside, so I will go buy something can ride in.
Baby, why you bought me?
Alright, dinner will come. I can't dinner.
Okay, thank you. Why, baby? You bought me.
Why are you asking me?
It seems like you are not like your face. I'm not feeling it.
I'm not mad.
The last time you told me you give me money, but you didn't give me. So what's that?
Is it that you are coming to visit me or you are coming for the
I'm coming to visit you also. You know, you already promised me, so you have to give.
You go inside, I'm coming.
Yesterday I couldn't sleep.
Wait for me inside, I'm coming. Wait for me.
Are you coming to give me? Okay. Don't bore me, okay? Okay.
Just go inside, I'm coming.
I'm waiting for you.
It's a new day, and nothing's really quite going your way. You got bad news that's confusing. You got sad news that you're wounded. And it feels like the worst time. You're worried and scared and not fine. You feel unprepared with no signs. Well, it'll be alright.
No. Not this time, bro. Not this time. I'm not gonna do that. No, bro. I'm not gonna take it, bro. No. Cause the last time the coke that I sent to you, the money delayed. And I'm not gonna do that again, bro. Yeah, you delayed it. Even this time, if you give me 80%, I'm not gonna take it. If you give me 99.9%, I'm not gonna take it, bro.
Baby, why are you always on your phone like that? What's that?
Nah, then I'll trade.
And then I'm interested. Anytime why we get busy with phone to sign.
You know all the spending I've been spending is through this phone.
I know, but sometimes.
So what do you want now?
Nothing. Nothing.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
You know I love you, right?
I know you love me.
I got to make money too.
Yes. You have to make money. Yeah, I know.
High school.
What's that?
We can't like that.
Oh my god.
Hey, child long, no. Oh, how hey.
Oh, with this.
Hey man, mad. Can't see something. You there see something. See something. You see you check out for yourself.
If like say, you know be the client I carry give you.
You know be the client matter. Check something. Check something.
Maga.
Check something.
Maga.
You see
Actually,
I don't talk you say.
you know something, yo, Charlie, go can we for celebrate. Yeah, for celebrate. Where my phone? Let me some call. Oh, Charlie, straight up.
You know something? I go buy best give them all and we are going, but you know. And they can't ride, you know.
Hey.
I'll call it. So right, you be inside time, man. You try and claim big money.
You have to hotel. Baby, let's get inside, okay? And we have fun. See, I'm going.
Hey, hold on.
Yes.
Hey, what's the name?
Hey, what this one?
Come on, no.
Damn it. You rub.
Perfecting, I'll be perfecting. Perfecting, we be perfecting. Perfecting, I'll be perfecting. Perfecting.
Me alone.
Oh. What happened? Why are you bored?
I said leave me alone. What's your problem?
Have I done anything wrong? Just let me know so I'll know what to do.
I told you to teach me how to scam, but you don't want to teach me.
So, is that the only problem?
Yes, that's my problem.
You know what?
I want to depend on myself. I don't want to depend on you.
Your quietness and silenceness just because I don't want to teach you how to chat or something like that.
Yes, that's the point.
Okay, I got you. Don't worry, I'll teach you.
Are you going to teach me?
Abi, you want to learn?
I will learn. The last time you collected my Facebook password, what did you do with it? Oh.
Don't worry.
You didn't do anything with it? Okay.
This is a new client. I've never chatted before, but I was planning on how to format him. Okay, this all you need to know is whether he's rich or the kind of work he does, so that you can start chatting. Maybe he might be a broke person.
So
you know, this business we don't deal with broke people.
How will you know the person is broke or
That's
not?
where you start doing research about him.
Okay, like asking
Him some maybe small questions while you do the FaceTime calls and those kind of stuff.
Okay.
So you get to know him in reality. Because after
Okay.
that, I'll give you a raw format for the beginning, bad format.
Format.
Yeah, don't worry, the formats I'll send you some of the formats though to your own email.
Oh, like okay. Let's put things like that. Let's go inside. Then you will show me how. Won't you?
I hope you're not happy.
I'm happy.
Okay. You're happy, I'm happy too. But next time, don't give me that face again.
I have to,
I know, but I'm just telling you the fact. Next time, don't give me that face.
Perfecting, I'll be perfecting. Perfecting, we be perfecting. Perfecting, I'll be perfecting. Perfecting, we be perfecting.
Okay. Then I'm waiting for you. Okay.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room.
Hello, baby. Hey, Charlie. How you do? You the be rough, Charlie. And at the house, you did for your father.
What?
This house. You the be rough. Your freshness and your beauty is making my thinking unstable.
Leave me alone, okay? I'm waiting for someone, so just leave me alone.
I'm admiring the nature. You the be. Abo ziggy.
God. What's your problem?
Your body, they be like twig. I said twig.
What is the meaning of toy?
Oh, I'm admiring you.
Are you insulting me?
No.
You are not insulting me.
What do you know? I said twig.
So you are still saying it again?
Oh, Charlie, let me admire you.
Admire who?
It's time I culture, Charlie.
Leave me alone, okay? Why are you staring at me like that?
Abo ziggy. Hi. I said twig. Abo. Let me do this good. Maybe the girls phone this. iPhone. This is a bonyo machine. This girl cry when I was admiring her cry attitude. Check her, Charlie.
My phone. My phone. Let me check. Oh my God. Hey, my phone. My phone. Where's my phone? Oh my goodness. Where is my phone? What should I do now? What? That junkie guy took my phone. I'm going home.
The pressure be high. I say encourage Jessica do. Cool your temper. 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 This kind of life we deliver Father God. I know say he go be.
Before we pass, swear, the sweet someone.
too much that's going on, I don't know what to do. Paralyzed by options in this world, can't pick and choose. Yeah, everybody's life is on display, including you. Yeah, I feel every day is just the same, stuck in a loop. I need some variety, I'm sick of this anxiety, I'm sick of this society. They make us feel a rivalry, compare ourselves to others, but we all got different mothers. We were raised in different structures, so we're different, it's no wonder, yeah. I just want a great life, something where I feel like I just didn't waste time, something I look back and say that was a great time. Cause man, I just hate when the years pass by the wayside. Yeah.
Mpacho, good morning. Mpacho, benya phone with charger, mami.
Anye biano, utwa mu. Unhu se nipa biti. Wo ba baby samisa o phone charger. Me ma o charger. Me fa me charger. Emma wo a ugina ho. Fa me charger ma wo hu.
Hey mommy, we are long pa. Hey.
Me ya long. Me ya long. Umu se. Woni na mfia ha na wutwi fa nipa so kwacheche ba. Woni na mfia ha mu pani bia wo fia. Wo ba be gina ha ba be ka chem se me fa me charger fa ma wo a ugina ho. Aye se wo bi a woda mo kira ye yi ne nsu na firi ni yam wo be gina ha be pe charger wo me wa bodam papa.
Mommy, we dey fa we are dey fa charger no mommy.
Me fa ko se free bi so ko no ana me we so nyama ade.
Mommy fa mommy out.
Se mu huni na wa o so na wo musu na ya antiti wi ye ni. O ma me antiti wi ye no. Ko shini. Swali ana wa twetwe we ya abede da wo to ho na wo kwa na wo ba. Ne mfe ase wo bi a wanya ayi hania. Be jira ho no ma ba ka cham se me fa me charger ma. Utiri so no apampa so. Ka me to charger na to atwe.
Perfecting, I be perfecting. Perfecting, we be perfecting. Perfecting, I be perfecting. Perfecting, we be perfecting. Love.
No one is picking up. Oh God. This is my phone. Oh God, pick up. I don't know what to do again. This junkie guy, if I catch him, I know he was the one who took it. I know. I'll know one half from me. Jin say you will be full because the way I was returning it back in the day. I'm sure. I'm not be far from. Let me try again.
Trying to unlock this phone, but I can't even unlock it. I just saw a missed call. Maybe it's a girl Mpu. Charlie. Let me check. Let me guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh. Suspect. Nipanya. Every time lock. Adem. Maybe you guys will be putting lock on your phone. Why? How can I even call this number?
Cool your temper.
And I need to never boy, they were big dreams. And check, they go see me on the big screens. And big boss, then I'm a dimmy who ching ching. Very soon, boys go pay for the 16s. We be who me in the midst of goons. Me crash and me quad, near Betty and room. I still pity boys where they pray for my doom. I'm destined to win and it's written in the
How much am I phone no one has saying? Okay. What's it? What's on my phone number, me? Matty. I can't wait. Oh my God. I can't wait. Oh my God. Oh, this call for celebration. I have to dance.
Shadabadam. Share. Mumpo, you the biamba. Another classic. Father baby.
It's candy baby.
Chinchina trying. Yakwe. Shakala. Bagala. Shakala. Bagala. Munjami. Shakala. Bagala. Shakala. Bagala.
unjami, 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 unjami. So what's what to na boom boom so what to na boom boom hey what's what to na boom what's what to na boom hey Shakala, shakala, bagala, bagala, shakala, shakala, bagala, bagala, unjami, 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 so what to na boom so what to na boom hey so what to na boom so what to na boom yeah quiet
I will not ni person. Also not share them on one real I'm a fear my dear can. I then open so better any person with fear and manner. No, let be Pauchia, who to a young man that you better than fear has say. Ah, I bet you I won't add you into so now who honey power fear has say.
Is this time my man can't be true? If you are not, oh my man, a gym or who don't to make them no lie. Into the eye and a focal.
Me mamma na do ha.
Oh mammy.
Me mammy, my friend me mammy abona mane. I catch you no no catch me too. Every fear has say. Oh mammy. Me mammy na catch me. So permit me go fa phone. E dia I record that chiro. Oni mu ni na.
Ne need to see oh mammy o ti me nkyere me sa lie no. Wo no afanya za kwan bi na abeso otumi o. If you am no bi ate ne kama. Nti dia o kyere ne the fucking lie o.
Uto like be wuntua. Wunnya hwe wuti hakeke. Wa twese bibia won som yen. Aha so ye won so ye na ya ji o feso a na so da na wujimi o fi ha sei fi ha kokra na mani so kra tete me
mo we de no la we de sisi a we de me prefi a de mpacho we de mesrew we de sisi a we de bibia plan se bia de kire me sisi a me prefi a wo be se me twa agya kra de me twi de me so sisi a me bre mo aso de abaka se me bia me mesrew tu de ma me mbo ho wa ba ko pe mesrew
ala mi ko mi hia o fi ha ko
nti de amaye ne nti
fi ha ko
ti de amaka bebe unti
fi ha ko me pe woni kra hwe
amaka ni anti na fa ko asem so
chire no ho fu bi no ho se atwa woro kra senior to so.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it so.
And it's soft. I don't know what that for. I'm from Ukraine. Hey, I for my sorry, I will have one side of my dad. Yeah, no, I don't need to have body and bye bye. Ah, yeah, who better you of ya? Are they? Puni ni pa musi esa se kusia. O she bo mu aye puni ni musi. Are they? My hwenu kura ye nti bibia sante kura wo fia ha bio. Ade. Ah. Wa ya de pa. Wa ya de se.
There's too much that's going on, I don't know what to do.
Why you waiting? Because browsing now small, you get money small, you shun the rap.
Share, who talking say I shun rap?
We rap.
Get rap punches, if I can't give you, I go
we punch you again.
Let's see. Nana mini do never boy know big dreams. And check they go see me on the big screens and billboards. Me na me demo chin chin. Very soon boys go pay for the 16s. Ube home in the midst of grooms. Me crash and me quad. The over see any room. I'm still putting boys so they pray for my doom. I'm destined to win and it's written in the books. Me bo be a mommy pressure. Boy. Me, I get a vibe.
You get vibes.
I
get vibes.
No time for rap. Say my quest studio then things now. Sight and say the normal joke, bro. But I mean, you know how
I know your vibes. I know your vibes. Yeah, I know your vibes.
Since come on.
Yeah, I know your vibes.
But I don't know that now, Vanessa.
No, it be like say they do some style be
So junkie. I was saying,
I'm done.
Yeah, fruit up.
No, my fucking queen. That's what my
no, every day car, boom, boom. Don't go suspect we wow.
Yeah, fruit up. Yeah, good.
It's a new day, and nothing's really quite going your way. You got bad news that's confusing. You got sad news that you're wounded. And it feels like the worst time. You're worried and scared and not fine. You feel unprepared with no signs. Well, it'll be alright, you just gotta fight. What about things happen to the best of us? It seems like they should be blessed. They just might be angels here as guests, teaching us to be our best. When everything breaks at the seams and you feel like you're losing belief, well, damn it, you just gotta stay strong. When it all falls apart and goes wrong, when you feel let down and so lost, and it feels like you can't hold on.
Wow, what the pop on?
Charlie, now they think of something. Now they think like the things where they supply, like we forget kiddie baby go they supply the cook givers.
Yeah, I thought of that, bro. But it seems you're a little busy. That's why I did not tell you. Yeah. But you know, if you're not worried, Bob, I know somebody will go fit do the job, but clean and perfect.
You sure say if you do one?
Oh, Charlie, bro, trust me, bro.
This be life and death too, bro.
Why I know they believe the bro? Cause you know say now my level no, I not go feed the work good and deliver.
And then fine. Maybe why they suggest it for this.
I forget somebody them push them for day.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone and that includes you.
What is it?
Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy.
Yes. Don't you remember me?
No, I don't remember you.
Watch my face very well. Oh, Charlie, stand there. I'm not here to propose to you.
Then what?
Shit. Me, you see my bag. This will not be your phone.
Oh my God. Not be my matter. Oh, thank you. Can I get your number? You don't have phone. Can you imagine?
It's a new day, and nothing's really quite going your way. You got bad news that's confusing. You got sad news that you're wounded. And if it's like the worst time, you're worried and
If I do shame, they're going hold first. But now, them the test ask me to go.
But today, the way I did time things, man.
Why? The client will promise you.
Nah, like me, I give them some format to be really like. Now you don't know anything for talk. Like, I know, like now you make confused. So like, sick of that, they go offline by force. The way I laugh at me, man.
If you don't send them, you could take and go tamale.
My baby.
Hey, fresh girl.
Oh my God.
This is not your old phone.
That's my phone.
You know, be your phone days.
That's my phone.
What happened?
How do you find it?
You don't know.
Yeah, then.
Oh, me say. Me nama. Some me call classes and me posted this kakra. So me nam street is so na me who say guy be me see I'm feel say junkie for eating. Can me few or money start. So then me be catch me see me engineer to me. John say guy did buy or buy no bag say. Me can't say because of return DB. And I'm beside say what's up. And no saying onim me. Na say onim me. Also onim china onim me. And it's okay. After was me hwade no ye phone you free in the bag mu chire me. Won see me. Na me ye adi. O ye adi mom me.
I don't okay. Yeah, this guy there. Where the guy do?
A guy been the last time or friend me junkie guy been. I can't say my asset so you know. Today he is not junkie guy or no.
No, that's okay. Where do not tweet. But the guy good though. Like if it's some guy go carry good.
I am happy.
No bad guy cry. Actually, ready the whole 2 phones. So we do. No, yeah.
Yes. Shame on you.
Oh, what did I do? Oh, the guy do. The guy try.
Now the last time you carry the cry, they talk you say for another cry.
I mean, if the girls them are matter.
perfect things. I be perfect things. Perfect things. We be perfect things. Perfect things. I be perfect.
What's up?
Sorry for disturbing at the back. 1 minute.
Yo, let me call you back, okay? Yeah.
Sorry for disturbing.
No problem.
At the beg, at the here money go buy food. At the home.
You didn't hear money go buy food. Why? Are you not working?
No, Charlie. For that one day, I'm not working. I did search for job. I don't get some.
No, if you are, don't tell me that, cause there are many jobs out there. You can fit yourself in one of them.
Boss, at the beg.
Wow. Okay. You don't worry. But I don't have CDs on me. Wow. Let me check. You can have this. Don't have CDs on me, okay?
Okay. Boss, 100. A boa.
Okay. Let me ask. If I give you job, will you do it?
Boss, I go do
Really?
one time quick.
Okay. All right. Let me check. See if I have. No, don't worry. You can have more of this if you are ready to work. Okay?
Okay.
You can have my card, and when you are ready, just call me.
Boss, I'll call you.
All right.
Boss, 100. A boa. Bagu pa enka no pe. We iska baby pa ba ko pe. My boy is a child for kinu. But 100 it no be bad though. But maka mommy too so anke you. So I said 3. I no lie.
Yeah, me. That's what it is on it. Said ya brabo ni mo ya den na me did this one someone in the cruise a gumo concrete. But still na me the fame obi ke kase enye yes me hu no hwe the concert. Enche emere de beso. Jo ma hasada che uhu me hwene yakro beto. Koda mfa ne ho ensem pi afifa me ni so. Make for obi sika kan ye be wai me ni so. Na nya me ya botre. Wani bi mpo na maya we dia me de koto sere. Me to be that fit ya no pa kwesi enwumre. Still bubu sa me wan see the grass still me ni kapre. Jo me just the sokoto brand no me te seleko. Eye lion ka me ne ko me yampa me pass or record enso we die.
Dunya mie, wara na miss me frewo. Minya mie, wara na miss me frewo. Raboni mo ye me bamba, moto ma drive me kema. You man idea me bressa, idea me ye this wara. Dunya mie.
Hello, how you go?
Oh, bibi how?
Are.
Chen kwa na album insem sa.
Ah, and Cherry so tea. Me Cherry me mo chia. Come on for there, Charlie. Make us something. Charlie. Normal vibes.
That makes you.
Charlie, Abi you guys see I talk you about some guy I won't make he can do the job give you.
You find one?
Yeah, Charlie, the guy is. Wow. The guy that I won't make he can't do the job give you. Wow.
You yourself you make serious there.
Why? Is this how they carry kunku for you? Huh? The guy that if I not look the form, you better trust him. You be my guy.
You play mine.
Yo, Chan.
Let's say.
You have a corner, so.
A person.
Let me guest president.
Can say dear bro. A fraud saying I was a girl speak.
Oh, guest president.
That be the name. He dey protect the legacy.
So to do that.
I'm a Tiazi.
I be talking everything.
Can't be here.
Hey, make sure say if you do this.
No, it might be here quick.
Trust me. Trust me. One done. Another fuck up.
That's it.
If you do you bow. For no worry. That be the boy. So
It's here. Like one advice I want to carry give you. I be you know say this one be risky job. Anything happens, be and I own kids. But I'm never fuck up plus my do. Do you get me? But if you give him first test time.
Charlie, if for no worry. I vibe him already.
So that's why I just want to keep him looking so you understand me better.
Yeah, that be the vibe. So have you see this be the guy we are talking about. Dot one. Yeah. Come on for this.
It's a new day, and nothing's really quite going your way. You got bad news that's confusing. You got sad news that you're wounded. And it feels like the worst time. You're worried and scared and not fine. You feel unprepared with no signs.
Yeah, man. Long time.
You watch you.
Boy, me quite I want to you on one side.
Yes,
Yeah. Charlie, me soon me boy akuni o. Yeah.
So we done it.
Yeah, person won. We are the fine what I say.
This is the oba real fresh.
Yeah. So me have a duty. Chance no man. Yeah. So. No. I need choice. I need choice. One day come on.
So,
I
see that I wish so well.
Hey, come out. Then the collect on we guest president.
So,
Collect. But I be like say I for Jim ahead though.
Mandis. Ooh, yeah. Time no day for the hustler. Brother pass me the Rizla. Make I roll up my sorrows. On a street man a fighter. Yeah. Time no day for the hustler. Yeah. Brother pass me the Rizla. Yeah. Make I roll up my sorrows. On a street man a fighter. Cause this life he be packaging. Say mama he be packaging. Boys no laugh at it be packaging. Beat your girl in the packaging. Yeah.
Sorry, no. Yeah, network. So why? Oh, they are not
I no get time for your fake life. Set my man sing and I all be like. Yeah, no coffee Panamera. I'm a Bugatti. Facebook name show Tiaba Quechi. It goes down in a DM. Wouldn't it chill back? Small girl with a big gun. You get the money, you the show off. Snapchat, IG, they top. Can't cover them cause you dey for.
I be perfecting, perfecting. We be perfecting, perfecting. I be perfecting.
So you right, Dino. I show you something small, get money now. I started do this.
Boss with this one, the one pay.
One pay, but I know take can show me. Okay, that be the vibe. You have to protect the legacy, bro. Yeah, that's the vibe. But you know what? There's something that I want to introduce you to. Okay, it's not all the scam that we are doing. Okay, we have something else one side. And I want you to know of that thing. Okay, check around first. All right, see this one. See this one. There is money. Okay, money. All right. Are you afraid of it? This is cook. Upgraded one. Oh, yeah. We did cocaine and there is these clients that I deal with. You get it? And I want to show you how to deal with customers. Okay?
Okay, boss.
There is this client that I want you to go, but not now. Okay, and before you meet clients, you have to make sure that the location that you people are going to meet is very safe. Okay?
Okay, boss.
And before you meet him, you have to receive half of the money before you meet him. This cocaine is very expensive.
So I need plenty.
Yeah, very expensive, and you have to be very careful, extra careful. And the money don't have to be received from any bank order. You have to take the money in cash. You don't have to accept any transfer. The money have to be given to you in cash. Is that clear?
Okay, I hear.
And you have to be very, very careful. Is that clear? Extra careful. You don't have to get any suspicion by the police. Is that clear?
Okay, boss.
Yeah, that's what we do.
Okay.
Come on, what are you going to do?
I should make a try one.
No, bring it. Let me tell you this. We the dealers, we don't take in sound.
One.
No, we don't take in sound. We don't want to be suspected by the police.
Boss.
Yeah, that's the main job.
I open up my eyes to the world. I open up my mind to it now. I open up my heart to a girl and hope she doesn't tear it all down. And like a little strand of her hair, a piece of fur will always be found on my pillow in the shirts that I wear. Her laugh was always my favorite sound. You know I always loved all the ways you made me feel.
Here's the goods that I want you to deliver. This is your first delivery that you are going. Make sure that you do a genuine job, clean job. I don't want any mistakes. Okay. Don't go and flop up. If you flop up, we are dead. Okay. Exactly.
I hear.
Exactly. I want you to do a genuine job, clean job, excellent, and you have to make sure you come back with the money in back.
Okay, okay, boss.
And be careful, because nowadays the police are very, very wild.
Vigilant.
Exactly.
Okay, boss.
Don't flop up. All right, I'm going to check something up there, so look sharp. Call me when you get there.
I'll call you.
All right.
Perfecting, I be perfecting, perfecting, we be perfecting, perfecting, I be perfecting, perfecting, we be perfecting, love. So we just hold here, I go to scam you. Bitch and Judas, with the media, I go betray you. My heart is broken, dada. Gani and Milan caution, dada. Me need kappa. Now so many friend me don't dada. Perfect things with a perfect life. My battle so I lose so fly. This is what we do for life. This is what we do for life.
I'm a scammer. Let me win so my son, you be the show you.
Kawase. What for me? So that when Chen cry, I was so for me to know. And you knew some mammy. Might say, but oh, you can come over, but there's some not around for nowadays. Oh, you're on the way. But I'm not in the house right now, but I was enjoying. But a Obama guy back home. Yeah. And Obio, your friend Girls P. Girls P, Girls President, but me and Girls P. Huh? Are there only more visa? I would say. Tia tuntum. The one no so sao. Tia tuntum saba. If you are na o susuma will be for there. But okay, over there. Okay. Then see you soon. Love you. By girls P. Ah, tum tia tum. Girls P. And I apply. I'm friend. So be back.
It's a new day, and nothing's really quite going your way. You got bad news that's confusing. You got sad news that you're wounded, and it feels like the worst time.
I dey count this.
With Dumbe 4,008 plus 4,800 and something.
Hey, I dey where you be now is.
So my view, I say guys the Jeep, you know what China will say why they.
Multi mistakes view. You for go download the 1xbet app. Come on for there. Make I talk you. 1xbet. You download them. You register with the promo code HRF2030. If you use that promo code and you deposit 100 Ghana, you can get 200% bonus.
Are there any new app?
The new app. Abakura my boys to try to talk us now. I
am no one man since one man.
You talk me. You know be riding now you just say bet TBI or Basa.
Charlie need me. Yeah man.
Ali, you bet ready.
The way I make happy. By overhead you. We are talking about 1xbet.
Yeah.
The promo code no Charlie. HRF no. They change the deposit. If you deposit it's now 300% bonus. 300% bonus.
You hear?
Hey. Business will be send you.
Oh, by 1xbet no to the help you small.
Shun that one.
Oh, but today they make up you.
What's
it? Check it. See.
Check.
Oh,
open the thing make you see something.
Actually, no. Oh, you know one man. I put three.
Open and make us see something.
Everything did that.
Kwano dia na dia offer scout. Dia kwano aso scout.
Make a career if you go man. Huh? Shun that. I will give you 10%. I be in that.
What time, baby? How? Now your client.
Charlie.
Yeah. Charlie. But because say my bet no loss no crana today they are again so no yawa.
1xbet in that Charlie. Today I was spoil you.
Funny baby how. Did you say I did where I bought in now? I them sir.
You can't break out. This year
I bought them. But today there you try.
20,000 pounds. Take and come here.
But today there for try go chill more. I be money come.
Nene I say also. I say scabam. Yeah, also museo my.
Hey, also oka. Also oka. I be boom.
Last time we were for care by and there was.
Yeah, today you need to spoil that.
If you not worry, I mean no say you will be my guy. You be my guy.
You boy show and you both get to end. And we both get to end. But actually today day and that day. What's that?
That be the vibe. Hey, I feel you bro. I feel I'm so hey. Today we go both chill.
I opened up my eyes to the world. I opened up my mind to it now. I opened up my heart to a girl and hope she doesn't tear it all down. And like a little strand of her hair, a piece of her will always be found on my pillow in the shirts that I wear. Her laugh was always my favorite sound. You know I always loved all the ways you made me feel. There's nothing that compares. Every day it felt so real. I couldn't get enough. You're the one whose time I'd steal. You showed me how to love, how to open up and deal. Yeah. You used to call my place home, 'cause we never felt alone. You're the only one I want. That's the only thing I know. You used to call my place home, 'cause we never felt alone. You're the only one I want. That's the only thing I know. Sometimes I don't wanna wake up. I stay in bed for the day, yeah. I think about where you lay, yeah, and the nights that we stay, yeah.
Yo, hello. Yeah, boss. Oh, good morning. Yeah, I did. Everything cool. The coconut.
Where's that one?
I don't really know.
But we have to go and sort
when
out
I was
something.
coming, he was busy chatting. I don't really know.
Let me check.
But he will be there soon.
Okay.
Are you calling him?
Yeah.
Okay, it's fine.
Okay, we'll meet there. I wanted to deliver it to you, but the location. Where? Okay. That place. Okay. I was waiting for the location, that's why.
Yeah, man. Where you dey? But you know we have to go to somewhere. We are at the base.
You already know.
Yeah.
Tell him that his wife is here.
Okay. I hear. Oh. Only me. Oh. I will come.
Charlie, your wife there you. Yeah, if you look sharp, we dey read you. Alright. You dey come.
Okay.
Yeah, boss. Yeah, I hope the location is very safe. For that one there. Yeah, that one there. Hey, Charlie. I don't want the police to catch me. Okay. If it's safe, yeah, I don't have anything to say. Okay, thank you. Okay. You, Charlie. Boss. Hey! I be one of the clients too.
So now what's up?
Get money rough.
I just see the vibe. So now what's up?
Complete. I finished up.
Hey, Charlie, this guy invites me. Be like now the master of a
Hey, really?
Now the man said sweet.
Hey, you this guy. You are the temps.
This guy himself now, they funny me rough.
It's a new day, and nothing's really quite going your way. You got bad news that's confusing. You got sad news that you're wounded. And it feels like the worst time. You're worried and scared and not fine. You feel unprepared with no signs. Well, it'll be alright, you just gotta fight. What about things happen to the best?
I didn't know you.
Charlie, me rhyme you, yeah. Come on for there.
But Charlie, I still the plan of the party now. Location for the party.
Yeah. So what do you think?
Charlie, I see some location view expire.
Yeah, but really ain't bad.
I was thinking Danjina would do.
We as a lightning no effect. Joy. Come on now.
Kakwe.
However.
Oh, we for use this. I like
Effect, but we are me planning on. I say, Vienna side on my Hojo side on.
What be the name?
This is C plus or BB sound.
But we go fit use this place.
Yeah, that's not bad idea.
And also a best service guy crowd.
Yeah. For no that think of that, bro.
Money there.
Hey, Charlie, you get money I do spend on myself. I don't know say they will come with your client no go send money. What you go do?
For sure that.
This place they do that.
Yeah.
If you use here plus the hall. If you use here plus the hall.
Okay.
We get the.
You know be bad. I think we don't go invite plenty people.
Nah, me we go do a minimum. We get like 50 people I do.
Charlie, 50 them chow too much, bro.
Chow.
Yeah, if we get like 7 guys or 8 guys and the rest will be girls.
Yeah, no, be like.
They use here plus hall.
Oh.
No.
That's some go fit there here.
Some of the scammers, you know, some small boys be like get like 20. Normal, but 50 there them chow, bro.
Nah, the ladies go chow past the way I see. How I want make we do I'm really
you know
like,
say
listen.
The girls
like I the one make we do I'm like 2 times the girls of the guys.
You know say the girls will be like 70%.
Guys 30%. That's it. But you say 50 chow.
We fit use like let's say 10 boys, 20 girls. You see girls there. So girls there. Girls president too, Charlie.
Where the rooms are available, right? You know, say by all means, some of the boys.
No be every bro we go enter the room.
You know, we say they go party for the room, but
I know, but you know be every bro we fit get access to the room. Nah, bro, what's up? Me I'll go share my wealthy apartment. Fly. Nah.
Listen now, bro.
Forget that. After the party, you can take your girl anywhere you want. But we the high guest no feel lodge around. You understand?
The guy we are talking see the client sent that money the last time.
Yeah, he did that one actually.
Yeah, I talk plus Sam South. He will come.
Yeah. But actually, then we get some 1 or 2 artists make them come perform. Like it would be like house party. The way it would be now, you might know the plan.
I be big plan, so we the plan where the plan.
Yeah. Actually. So right now, no, we get the vacation set.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Why? What is that for?
What are you guys doing? Kissing each other?
No, who is kissing who? No one is kissing me. He's just trying to help me out. So why are you saying that?
Really?
Yes.
Oh, calm down. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. Calm down. Oh, how are you, bro?
I'm bored.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay, no problem.
Sorry. So, where are you guys going to?
I'm just escorting you to the saloon.
Calm down, bro.
Charlie.
Wow. This is your ball, bro. I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry, okay?
Okay, take
sorry. I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry.
I opened up my eyes to the world. I opened up my mind to it now. I opened up my heart to a girl, and hope she doesn't tear it all down. And like a little strand of her hair, a piece of fur will always be found on my pillow in the shirts that I wear. Her laugh was always my favorite sound. No, I always loved all the ways you made me feel. There's nothing that compares. Every day it felt so real. I couldn't get enough. You're the one whose time I'd steal.
Yo, Charlie, you see something?
See the flyer.
What did this do? A friend of mine.
Oh, right, Charlie. The colors be dope.
Rolf, Charlie.
Yo, super.
What else? Oh, the fly that. Actually, do cool. Barry, why go do a house party?
Charlie, you go fit save money.
I thought you said you go do that thing somewhere. You go do a house party. What that?
But you see something like this one they do. Like, for just invite 1 or 2 people, then others and everything. You carry same.
But before you post, before hide now. For hide and cure.
What?
But you know say you surprise too.
Yeah.
So do that and take send me make a post.
Send it right.
So you get banned.
You dey fool. Sometimes you talk something another bad.
The idea will be something.
I just say you not get banned.
No, it's just camera you no get banned.
I just say you not get banned. So I go fit send you 50% back.
Hey,
You go
send that
send
the
me
other child your church about that.
You pay 50%.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, I'm sending.
Send the idea plan. Oh, but
I've sent it. Yeah. Super, I want to share. I don't need band.
See right there, post no see the comments. But this we not be continue all these people from perspective. Like we invite 2 or 3.
2 more girls.
Then who was so target?
You get 3 plus.
Hey, you don't know Sabi controller. Hey, you don't know Sabi controller.
For who now?
Eh? And if you guys say why they don't call me super.
If my money with me and they use, so you leave your account.
If you take the girls, I take the washroom.
We washroom. You want the room.
It's a new day, and nothing's really quite going your way. You got bad news that's confusing. You got sad news that you're wounded.
Say niggas need to have it.
And you come in your messages, they also have any arrangements.
Then it's time for us to arrange it.
Only me look sharp.
Go bring them.
Never pay them.
I'm going to pick them.
I'll trade them. Look sharp. Super, he drinks the liquid.
Huh?
No, say
Come on, then go bring the things. You take them. But you show them go.
You show them go. You show them go.
Go check out.
Nigga be the country too, right? But alright, see, alright.
Well, damn it, you just gotta stay strong. Cause sometimes things go wrong. And one day everything's gone. But you can make it out and move on. So damn it, you just gotta stay strong. You know that it's
These ones have they no planes.
No, they're not planes.
Like,
you know,
but remove some or this.
They chill.
Okay.
If you know,
The more they come out, the more we go.
if they come later Sunday, so what times?
Then they text wow, boy.
If you guys say them they play, then they come. Sure.
I just want like 10 people. We do. Since they didn't be one.
You know, send me now again, niggas. You know,
So yeah, no one do big invitation. Yeah.
but them no plenty. I don't sure say them go catch like 27.
Some small people.
Yeah. Make some yaro we can see when I move. So say they do am soon.
I just the crazy my people love this. Like you go think say like
I got you, nigga. I got you.
And the one who called the phone, the time pick you, the potato, take green space, money, you get money.
Cool your temper.
And I mean, it never boy, they were big dreams. And check, they go see me on the big screens. And big boss, then I'm a dim me who ching ching. Very soon, boys go pay for the 16s. We be who me in the midst of goons. Me crash and me quad, near Betty and the room. I still pity boys where they pray for my doom. I'm destined to win and it's written in the books. Me mo biama, me pressure, never. Who to me meditate me when you're there, and now they about and I made the never. You go rain soon, must I can't see the weather. Was so yes, she crash to cool your temper. Bear man, ya would test a Pentecost teda. Cause then I come a day then they see you beggar. But I know say very soon things go be better. Cool your temper.
Cool your temper. Cool your temper. Cool your temper. Cool your temper. Cool your temper. Cool your temper. Cool your temper. Cool your temper. Cool your temper. Cool your temper. Cool your temper. Cool your temper. Cool your temper. Cool your temper. Cool your temper. Cool your temper. Cool your temper. Cool your temper. Cool your temper. Cool your temper. Cool your temper. Cool your temper. Cool your temper. Cool your temper. Cool your temper.
Birthday party.
Why are you here? I'm just saying that place now.
That place there. I do.
Yeah. Me
Said ya brabo ni mo ya den me gidi sa won someone in the cruise a gumo concrete. But still na me dem fame obi ke kase enye ye se me hu no hye ne concert. Enche emere de beso jo ma hasada cha uhu me hwene ya krobeto. Kona mfa ne ho ensem pi ya fefa me ni so. Me ka for obi sika ka ye ba wai me.
Let's go. Come on. Long time. Yeah, but you with fresh. Hey. Oh my friend. Yeah. Where the party be? Yeah, see all this in the plan. Be here.
I them come.
Yeah. Now your house nice. Make yourself comfortable. Okay. Hey, my guy is there. Your friend. Hey, you need one.
Perfect things, I'll be perfect things. Perfect things, we be perfect things. Perfect things, I'll be perfect things. Perfect things, we be perfect things. Love. So we just hold there, I go to scam you. Bitch and Judas, who the media I go betray you. My heart is broken, dada. Gani and me lamb caution, dada. Me need kappa. Now so many friends me don't dada. Perfect things with a perfect life. My battle so I lose so fly. They say so we do for life.
The party start. You go join.
And we win so my son you be show you. Me pagro.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a dick. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful, I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental, and I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I had no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep.
once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Got it all on tap. We like all the same tracks. All night in the sheets all black. Said I'm
What is this? What's this?
Just come.
Where?
I feel good.
Babe, what is this?
I like you. I can't wait.
Where are you?
Don't worry.
I'm so late. You sip wine.
Oh, good.
Don't waste time to my place.
Oh, babe. Where are you?
So catch me if
I stand here. Come on.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Oh my God. Happy birthday.
Oh, I'm really happy. Wow.
Alright.
You now. How old are you? How old are you now? How old are you now?
There's no location with this. Okay.
She's 1 year. 1 year.
Alright. You have to pop champagne. Okay. Alright.
Pop the champagne.
Papa. Hold on.
Oh. Now, my this is both and both. No cap no.
I want you mic time.
Be perfect team. We be perfect team. Perfect team. I be perfect team. Perfect team. We be perfect team. Love. So we just hold there, I go to scam you. Bitch and Judas. Who the media I go betray you. My heart is broken, dada. Gani and me I'm caution, dada. Me need kappa. Now so many friends me don't dada. Perfect things with a perfect life. My battle so I lose so fly. This is what we do for life. This is what we do for life. I'm a scammer. Let me win so my son you be show you. Me pagro.
For this new birthday, we pray for more money, success, more clients, and happiness.
Okay. Godfather, do it. Okay, Godfather. Okay.
Okay. Hold on.
Birthday girl.
Okay.
Hold on. Alright. Everybody raise your glasses. Raise up.
Cheers to the birthday girl.
Cheers to the birthday girl. Everybody.
Cheers.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Let's party, man.
Mother to
Wow. Happy birthday.
Hey.
Happy birthday.
It's a birthday. We gonna party. Every day one I love every day. I know nobody but you, my baby. Baby, you be pretty and it's okay. But this guy, we go record song, give up. Challenge. What's the DJ?
I open up my eyes to the world. I open up my mind to it now. I open up my heart to a girl.
down, and like a little strand of her hair, a piece of fur will always be found on my pillow in the shirt.
I got to get another typo.
Hey!
I got to get another typo.
Okay, let me get.
Your son default.
Hey, go on.
You be the one I got kill for.
Baby
girl, you be the one. Stop me, make a little.
No!
Baby, 1 in a million.
Oh, baby girl.
Baby, chop on my million. Akira, baby.
Mario! Hey!
I got to one of these.
Mario! Hey! Mario!
Yeah, baby.
Mario!
Mature vibe.
La 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 la.
For the slow and sexy.
La la.
Oh my God.
Do you believe there are angels all around us? Do you believe in dreams coming true? Do you believe everybody has someone special for them? I believe my someone is you. Do you feel the magic in the air? Do you see the sparkle in the sun? Do you know I have been waiting for you all my life? Now we are together as one. But I mean what? But I mean what? Me do ya see the ara me do betina. Do you believe in making history? We will leave our fingerprints behind. We will give a whole new meaning to love. Come on, babe, forever you are mine. But I'm meaning what? But I'm meaning what? Me do ya see the ara me do betina. Meaning what? But I'm meaning what? But I'm meaning what? Me do ya see the ara me do betina. Meaning what?
Charlie, you need to fool me. All that. Jason. So, you need to fool me, Charlie.
Oh, you go feel happy.
So, Charlie, it was so fine, you know. Who you phone?
Your phone. Who that?
For here, nobody.
For here, who can do that?
For the way.
Yeah.
You relax.
Yo, more check the chat.
You go fit.
Chill.
Yo.
Check there.
Yeah,
Check around.
Make check the corner. But this
Yeah, no, bro.
No, check the corners. Go fit.
Check.
I do
You man. I know fine. No be this. Here there no brother do that.
Are you okay? Let's learn how to play your phone. Okay. We are not team. Charlie, guys, have fun. See.
Okay, alright.
Bye,
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, bro.
Thanks for the drink.
Oh, bro.
Thank you for coming.
Thanks for coming, bro.
Yo.
The fly by. Name what? Name like
Oh, come on for that, bro.
But you see something next time, how I will do, I mean, no be this week. Let's have a time.
Okay.
I'm being nice.
Meet me in the washroom.
No, we are not meeting anyone at the washroom.
In the washroom? Charlie, me say I want left.
The one left. Left and give me. You manage to come stop for my drink.
That's for coming here. That's for coming.
That will be
Oh my God!
I will say you.
Yes, man, go!
Hey, hold on. But why you can't suck my drink too?
You said?
Why you can't suck my drink?
If I don't come suck me, I'm ready. Who will come suck me?
Get a blessing.
Next time, this one, I don't go invite you.
I see this guy very nice. See her. Okay.
Thank you for coming to my birthday. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Take care, dear. Damn crazy, man.
You never need to clean here, you know. It's so dirty.
I swear to God. I come to bed.
No, I know.
Hey yo, my G, I still there here, nigga.
Perfect things, I be perfect things. Perfect things, we be perfect things. Perfect things, I be perfect things. Perfect things, we be perfect things. Love. So we just hold here, I go to scam you. Bitch and Judas, with the media, I go betray you. My heart is broken, dada. Gani and me lamb caution, dada. Me need kappa, now so many friends me don't dada. Perfect things with a perfect life. My battle so I lose so fly. This is what we do for life. This is what we do for life. I'm a scammer. Let me win so my son, you be the show you. Me pagro, me pabro. Buruki hana me chicho dabro.
Nadine.
Hey, you. Super. Sorry. Hey, at this time now that's what that. Then I want you. Just come on, that. How sorry.
Ah, who that?
Okay, well, we don't do with that. How sorry, I just watch the show. When you time? Oh. The time.
Cool.
Oh. Hey. Sorry, man. But I don't still now. You managed for go back and get something. I did actually since still not mad. Go.
I know they see you for food day.
Besides the food day, who for cook the food? All the girls they make fine for the room inside.
Huh? Ah, where are they?
Obviously. Like I would make people come pick everything for your package. Like, come sorry, go pay so you get an energy.
If you hear where you see
Bad house.
Ah, like you two for up me.
Maybe to love you. Sorry, what's the payment? And they see I go all big man. Now my bedroom's not there. Huh?
Hell. Me not figure say I dey inside Safo.
But I don't worry too much.
As I dey here, I dey dream. Oh, you can't spoil my dream. Give me.
Continue dreaming. See a bit.
Dream inside by the view.
Why you manage there? You make yourself fine, pal.
The way the girl, the way the wine.
Is the what do you drink yesterday night?
I don't know. If it a drink we take give me no.
That be my own. No, now be some low key mixture bill, some low key be simple. You see say now they hold my cap no.
My head the pain.
Now I kai. That low key Hennessy be no. Now you no be Hennessy alone no. We saw you manage to sleep like a punk no.
Something there inside.
Actually, how you see the party yesterday?
Yesterday, the party. The girls in Kwan cry the way.
Thank you.
One girl be do that. I'm bogus about it.
That be too much.
It's spoiled the channel.
In my head they pay me self.
Yeah, just can. Then the girls know. Hey, I swear, I no go lie, but actually. But Kiro and birthday name, we go do them times 2 of what we did yesterday.
That one is.
But I will say Krumna will come, Anna.
come.
Come on, go back. Soroko jare.
Jaro
and then you be all it out.
But you're sleeping.
Hey, why Jimmy walking?
Solid.
Why Jimmy walking? Ma, you managed to go back and take it.
Are you too wide?
Yo, channel.
The master chow too much.
Go back.
And next time that again bring.
Yeah.
Go back if you don't do the girl.
Yeah, okay, girls. Also, Soroko jare. I'm not body nada. That crowd 4 and 5 me no. Yeah, man. Come go jare.
Come on for there.
Shimi. What did that basa and expect me behind that.
It's a new day, and nothing's really quite going your way. You got bad news that's confusing. You got sad news that you're wounded.
Hey, I send girls me come or no come.
Long time, you can't be inside.
Yeah. I beg call and give me.
Yo, P. Charlie, come here.
Why you come that other way, you know how I'm.
I think they do 1 or 2 things. Please.
I'll make you send this gift some client give me.
this kind of job, understand?
It's a new day, and nothing's really quite going your way. You got bad news that's confusing. You got sad news that you're wounded. And it feels like the worst time. You're worried and scared and not fine.
Boy, my dick can't trust I call him interest no. My dick can't trust me interest no. See, I bet now for like 3 hours, 4 hours, and you see a wine. See a wine.
Charlie, relax, bro.
Me relax, listen. Abraham is scanning my point. Why should I relax? See, I'm going on wine. We need to see me relax. I already tell you, say I don't trust this guy. We should do this by ourselves. I also yes man is see I scan my wine. You see, I will say yes, I hit 12.
Stop shouting, bro.
What's me can't chance me stop shouting, bro? Now, why we are bad, Charlie me.